And one thing they clearly know, you are the goddess of love. The scales need to be equal. Doesn't give you sadness. And then they realize what they have done. Sooner or later will beg you for how much they hurt you. They only want you like a home. Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your online psychic love reading for the month of April. Weekly love reading. You can follow Tuesday to Tuesday or Saturday to Saturday weekly love readings. If it's helpful for you, if it resonates with you, take guideline from these readings, and if it's not resonate with you, take it as entertainment. Okay, let's get started. Capricorn, what are the Capricorn person's feeling, thinking and intentions towards Capricorn? What are the Capricorn person's feeling, thinking and intentions towards Capricorn? What are the Capricorn person's feeling, thinking and intentions towards Capricorn? We are having here the Magician, the Sun, Justice, King of Cups. What are the Capricorn's feeling, thinking and intentions toward this person? What are the Capricorn's feeling, thinking and intentions toward this person? And we are having here the Hermit, Judgment, Ten of Swords, Five of Pentacles. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? And Two of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. These are your cards, Capricorn, and sign that could relate it to your person. Libra with this Justice card, Leo with this Sun card, Virgo with this Hermit, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Five of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this King of Cups, Queen of Cups, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Ten of Swords. Your person want to control you and want to control this situation, Capricorn. They want to like control you. Maybe I think they are manifesting on you highly, like they are manifesting on you with this Magician card. They are stepping out from their comfort zone and doing something that they usually don't do, but they want to, because you are the happiness. No matter what, you are the happiness. Whatever you're demanding, your person is demanding justice, equality. The scales need to be equal. This person demanding, they know that you are also demanding the right place. You are also demanding the being purity. They know that your person know that you demand justice, you demand equal give and take. And sometime, and this person sometime do, like if you are doing something, they are repeating that with you. These are the possibilities. They know that you are demanding what you deserve, and they also doing the same. And what, no matter whatever they're doing, the you are the happiness for them. They are manifesting on you. And one thing they clearly know, you are the goddess of love. Emotions, feelings, stability. You know, no matter how much, when we talk to ourselves, we never lied to ourselves. We can manipulate anyone, but we can't manipulate our conscience. We are never gonna, can't we can't manipulate ourselves. We can't lie to ourselves. One thing, when they talk about you with their self, one thing they get, that you are the King of Cups, means responsible in love, full of emotions, full of feelings, but you know how to control your feelings and your emotions, and you are responsible, stable on your feelings and on your emotions with this King of Cups. Definitely this person is not doubt find you. You are the happiness. You are full of love, but you are not giving your love to this person until they are not going to fill this your demands. And this person is the first card. They want to control you. They are manifesting on you. And this person, you are the happiness for this person, and you are a little bit isolation and sadness in you. This person give you sadness, and you are in some kind of isolation. This person leave you. You can feel that this person leave you in cold, left you in cold, and this person, you feel abandoned because of this person. And but also this person wants second chance. You also get from this person, but sometimes we do things that can't reverse. It hurts, and it's hard for us to pull ourselves from this person give you that miserable phase, give you intentionally unintentionally with their actions, with their words, with their phrase, they give you this sad harsh ending, this sadness, and they left you in cold. Sometimes, yeah, people do that. Then they realize what they have done and they want second chance. That's the same thing happened with you, Capricorn. This person hurt you, this person give you sad ending, this person left you in cold, give you that miserable phase, and you have to, you step back from this person, you are distance yourself from this person, and then this person reverse and they want a second chance. You know that this person sooner or later will beg you for a second chance. And this person is with this two of pentacles. This person's current situation, juggling with multiple things, dealing with you, dealing with other stuff, like they can't find the right balance in their life with this two of pentacles. And with this queen of cups, you are not talking about your emotions and your feelings. You are the queen of cups and queen of cups, full of emotions, love, happiness in you, but you are not giving your cup of love to anyone, and you are not talking about your emotions here. You really don't want to talk about your emotions, and if you do talk about your emotions, but not yet. Let's see what else we have for you, Capricorn. What else we have for Capricorn? What else we have for Capricorn? And we are having here Seven of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and Eight of Cups. So this person is waiting for your reply. This person is waiting for you, but you are protected. There is a healthy boundaries around you. You are grounded, rooted. Little bit lack of romance. How can be you romantic and polite with this person and give your love to this person when this person give you the sad ending, and you know that this person definitely demand from you like the second chance, and they want begging you to give them second chance, and they're waiting for you. You put this person in a waiting room. Memories, the effect of love, they want your love no matter how much they hurt you. They only want you. Cards are telling, and you are protected. There is some boundaries around you, the healthy one, invisible healthy boundaries around you, Capricorn. Disappointed a bit. This person disappoint you in many ways. It's not just like but multiple ways. When this person is not doing, they know that what you want, they know that what you demand, and you are deserve, and they're happy with that, but they can't do that thing. That's how you are disappointed because of this person's this behavior. This person is, and you have to, sometimes you have to move away from these beautiful emotions and feelings just because this person can do the thing that make both of you happy. Let's see what else we have for you. For more information, what else we have for you, Capricorn? And we are having here the Sun again, Four of Wands, and Knight of Wands. So this, you are the happiness. They are happy when they are with you. This person, you are the complete happiness for this person. Again, Sun, and this person is happy with you. That's why I'm saying, you know that this person going to back, like, be with them. Don't leave them the way they leave you and give you the sad and harsh words. And they are, because you are the happiness. No matter when you say, when you, okay, go ahead, do whatever you want to do, and then they feel like that you are the happiness. They already have everything, anything, all of things in you, Capricorn. And with this Four of Wands, you are like a home, happiness in you. You are comfortable for this person. And with this Knight of Wands, enthusiasm, passion, adventurous in upcoming days. You are in some kind of adventure. Maybe you do something new, you try something new, and it's give you excitement and adventurous feelings, Capricorn. Let's see what your angel want to add in this reading. What your angel, a happy move to a new home or place, of employment is in the work. This movement will usher in positive new energy. Beautiful message. If you are doing something new, as I told you, excitement in you, adventure in you, this is the outcome. It's actually work out. These cards are meant something. If you are doing something new, you are adventurous towards something new, it's positive. It's going to be a positive energy. Beautiful. Do whatever you want to do. What's the new idea? Just do it. Okay, let's see what advice messages. Don't give up, meditate, face your fears, work for your success. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is this person want you. They know what you demand, and they want balance, being fair. You are full of emotions and love, alive, responsibility in you. You are responsible in love. They know that, and they are happy with you, but they give you somehow intentionally, unintentionally, directly, indirectly sadness, left you in cold and make you to walk away from this connection. But then this person beg you, will beg you, maybe begging you for second chance. These are few symbols of your Capricorn. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you for your time and your attention. God bless you. Bye.